Are you trying to take your Google Business Profile to the next level? Smart, because your Google Business Profile can help you get found more, show up for more keywords, and attract customers from clicks into turning into paying customers who have a ton of lifetime value for shopping or buying from you and your services on an ongoing basis. The better your Google Business Profile, the better chance you have of attracting more local customers for life. So in this video, I'm going to break down one of the simple things that you can do to help absolutely juice up your Google Business Profile, get you found more, and get customers to trust your business and choose to shop or buy from you or hire you on a more regular basis. What is that? Well, let me recap real quick. In previous videos, I talked about this new tag, seen by shoppers, power tools, right? What that is if shoppers have seen or mentioned that they've bought or purchased those products in a review, then Google is going to start tagging your profile for various searches. So this was power tools near me, tagging your profile with the seen by shoppers, and then insert the product type right there. So it doesn't matter what you sell. If you get reviews that mention that product in your reviews, then when other customers search for those things near them, your profile is going to get that little trust tag right there, which means getting reviews that mention the products you sell is critically important for the success of your business. How do you go about doing that? Let's break it down and share 3 strategies that are going to help you get more reviews that mention specific products for your business. Okay, the first thing you can do is what I call targeted post-purchase communication. Now that's just a big fancy word. All it means is being very targeted with the people you're asking for reviews and doing it in a targeted way. Let me show you what I mean. It's easier than you think. First is you want to send a follow-up email or follow-up text a few days after a customer receives their order or after they've left your store. This is when the experience is going to be most fresh in their mind. Then you want to personalize it and reference the specific product they purchased in your message. This is going to show that you care about their individual experience and nudges them to want to share feedback for you. Now, this is critical. You want to include a clear call to action, so a direct link in your Google Business Profile review that brings them right to the page to make it as easy as possible for them to open up and leave a review for you. If you don't know how to link directly to leaving a review on your profile, check out my other videos where I teach you how to do that, and be sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on these tips. Here's an example of the type of message you might want to send. Hi, customer name. We hope you're enjoying the new product. Product name. We'd love to hear what you think. Would you mind sharing a quick review on Google mentioning how product name is working for you? Link to your Google review page. So I would do something like this. Hi, Keegan. We hope you're enjoying your new power tool. We'd love to hear what you think. Would you mind sharing a quick review on Google mentioning how your DeWalt power drill is working for you? Link to the Google profile page. That's strategy number 1. Okay, strategy number 2 is in-store or in-person experience prompts and signage. So whether you're a service business, a restaurant, or a retail store, having something in that moment in the customer experience that catches their eye and makes it happen. What does this mean? Well, first you need some type of visual reminder because your staff, yourself, you're going to get busy. You're not always going to remember. So place something eye-catching, so like an eye-catching sign on checkout counters or on product displays or in fitting rooms. It depends on your type of business. That's going to encourage customers to leave Google reviews. Then you also want to include phrases like, tell us what you think of our insert product category on Google. So for instance, if you're a clothing store, tell us what you think of our men's t-shirt selection on Google, right? You've just mentioned a specific product category. So the next time somebody, if they leave a review about your men's t-shirt selections, then when somebody's searching men's t-shirts near me, your business is going to come up with that tag that says shoppers have seen this here. Now then use QR codes that directly link to your Google reviews page. That's going to make it seamless for customers with smartphones to leave feedback, right? So just click on the QR code, scan it, and it brings them right to leave a review. That makes it easy. If you don't know how to generate a QR code that links to your Google reviews page and opens up the window, again, check out my videos, but also click on the link below to Bright Local, which has a great tool for allowing you to do that. And then lastly, you've got to train your staff to casually mention leaving a review after a purchase, especially if a customer expresses satisfaction with a product. Okay, and the very last thing that you can do, and I'm going to say do this with a little bit of caution because you don't want to break any of Google's terms of service. You got to be careful about that. But you could offer a small reward. So consider giving customers a discount on their next purchase, a free gift, or an entry into a giveaway or something like that for leaving a review. Now, here's the thing. Even if they leave a negative review, you still have to enter them into the drawing. It can't be just if they leave a positive review. Now, most, of course, are going to leave positive reviews. People aren't going to necessarily jump in and give you bad reviews and expect something in return. But you cannot pay for positive reviews, right? So you can't say that I'm going to pay you if you leave a positive review or enter you into a free gift or any of that. It has to just be if they give a review in general. And then you got to be upfront about the incentive, and don't pressure customers to leave only positive reviews. Just encourage honest feedback and say, if you position it like this, hey, we're trying to make our business better. We want to serve you the best way possible. So we leave a review. And if you don't mind, leave us a comment in there about what you got from us, what you purchased, and what you thought of it. That's going to help us get better as a business. If you frame it like that, now they're going to know, hey, I just got put in the giveaway. They're trying to improve their business. I'm going to give them some detail about their products or services in the review comments, which is going to naturally give you an opportunity to show up. So just be sure to follow Google's guidelines regarding review incentives to avoid any penalties as you do this. And those are some tips. If you follow this, you're going to get that seen by shoppers tag for most, if not all, of the products and services and that you sell in your business. And it's going to help you rank higher, help your Google business profile stand out, help you attract more local customers. Just follow these tips for getting more specific review comments and watch your business grow like crazy. Thanks so much for joining me. Hit that like and subscribe because we're talking about all the ways to grow your business, and stick around because the next video is on how to add keywords to your Google business profile in all the different aspects of the profile. We'll catch you in the next video.